Do you also want that vocabulary should be generated for you in this manner, in an organized manner where the word is given, its pronunciation, Hindi English meaning, synonym, antonym, practice sentences. So, in this sequence, vocabulary is generated for you that every day. Don't worry and leave your worries to ChatGPT. It will teach you English automatically and without you doing anything. Just one setting, which I'll be telling you shortly. So, if you have also planned that I'm going to learn 5 words every day or 3 words every day, what happens after 2 days? You just stop and you forget about it. And why does it happen? Because we depend on our memory and not on the system. Today, I'll show you something very interesting. And after this, you don't need to remember anything. First of all, log into your ChatGPT account. Then you have to go here in the left bottommost part where your account name will be written. You have to double click on it. I have blurred this part. It is in the bottommost left part. So here your name will be visible. You double click on it. Now go to settings. Click on settings. So this window will appear in front of you. Here, general, notifications, personalization. We only have to go to notifications because we will be notified by ChatGPT about this particular task. So click on notifications. Now see, can you see this? Third, third heading is task. Under this heading, it is written manage task. Okay, so click on this. I have scheduled daily 5 words. This is the name of my heading. Here you can see the edit button and what all is there in the 3 dots, either pause or delete. But I'll keep it and I will click on edit button to show you the details. So first of all, what you have to do, give a heading to it like daily 3 words, daily 5 words, daily 10 words. Here I have given daily 5 words. Then instructions. Tell me 5 new topic based vocabulary words and C1, C2 level. So I have asked for C1, C2. If you want B1, B2, A1, A2, that you can schedule as per your requirement. And generally it is for competitive exams. Okay, you can also copy, you can take the screenshot of this. And then next is that when do you want it? I wanted it daily. Otherwise, what all options are available? Daily, weekly, monthly, annually, and custom. So I want it daily. Then you have to like daily. Okay, what is the time? Then I wanted it at 1:30. You can schedule any time. Morning is also okay. Right in the morning, daily dose of vocabulary. That depends on you. That early in the morning you will be served vocabulary words. So let us keep it 7 a.m. in the morning. 7 a.m. in the morning. I've changed it here. And then save the setting. Okay, now this is the way it is going to be. So this is the chat you have had with ChatGPT. Now all the chats that you have with ChatGPT that are shown in the left hand corner, bottommost. You scroll up, these are the chats, okay? And what you can do that, so this is my chat daily 5 words and I have pinned it on the top. So these 3 words, 3 dots will be available on the chat window. Click on them and you can see here rename. You can rename if you want to change, and I have pinned it. You can unpin it. So what is the benefit of pinning it? That every day if you use ChatGPT, so these chats are available, too many of them, and you can pin the important tasks on the top. So here I have pinned it. So you can pin and then see daily 5 words. It is available here, and every day how you can just double click on this. And I have been learning vocabulary this way for the past 1 month. So many words have been generated. Now I'll show you what you can do. You can copy paste it Like if I have to copy this 5 words: inflation, liquidity, subsidy, fiscal, diversification. Okay, suppose I have copied them. Then I copy it, right click, copy it, then open a Word document. So I have opened this Word document. Here you can paste it. This I'm just telling you for your help, and you can save it with any name. So you can even save it and you can make a booklet kind of thing for you for daily practice. Otherwise, you can go to that chat window in ChatGPT, like here, click on the pinned chat and study from there. So this is the way. And I'll give you a few prompts. So for example, I have prepared these 10 ready-made daily prompts for you. If you want basic vocabulary, you can type this: give me 5 English words daily with meanings and 2 simple sentences. If you want a speaking practice, you can change the text format and you can write down daily 5 sentences. Then IELTS vocabulary in the same way, just keep on changing the heading and the text. If you want phrasal verbs revision, then 5 phrasal verb with its meaning and sentences, conversation practice, then grammar practice, 5 simple grammar sentences. Or if you want some topic based words, then you can write down this: give me 5 words daily on one topic. Confidence building, 5 sentences to speak confidently in daily life. Then if you want mixed practice, this is also good: 2 words, 2 phrases, 1 idiom, and a revision mode. 5 words and give 5 words, new words daily. Now you can also make a planning for the entire month, 30-day learning system. Week wise, you can progress. So, first week can be understanding plus speaking, it can be your foundational week. And then next week, it can be improvement week, in which fluency will start. So, these text that you can copy paste over there. Third week can be upgrade, better vocabulary. And fourth week can be confidence building, real life speaking. Now, how to paste these tasks? You again have to go to notifications, click on it, and then go to the task section. Under that heading, it is manage task. Click on that. So this is my previously set task. Now you have to edit it. So this was the previous task, select it. So I want to delete this and copy paste here the previous one, the new ones that we have generated. So we'll go to the saved task and I will copy it from here. Speaking practice, let me copy this and I'll paste it over there. So this will be deleted and new text has been pasted. Now you can save it. But right now I am not saving it for myself. I want to leave my previous task. So I'll confirm that I don't want to. So all these prompts I will pin in the comment section. I'll also give you in the description of this video. You can go there. You can copy paste it and you can paste it in the task section where I showed you that manage task. There you can paste it just this much, and every day at the scheduled time you will be getting 5 words automatically. So isn't it good? You don't need discipline, the system is going to create discipline for you. So now no excuse. Even if you forget, ChatGPT will not forget. Start today and after 30 days you will see the difference.